Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and set up custom LED lamp notifications on HONOR X7A. To do this, first we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Right here, find NotifyBuddy. It's the app that allows us to get custom LED lamp notifications. When it's ready, click on the open. Now we can move to the next step and grant 3 different permissions for the app. Last right here is battery optimization, and it's optional to disable it. I'm gonna leave it enabled and proceed. From here you can start using the app. There's 4 different tabs: user, system, active, and the settings. In user you can enable any apps to allow them to receive custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that we've just activated, and if you go to your settings you can customize the LED lamp by changing different size, color, shape, or placement on the screen. Let's click on the test button and you should see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.